Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Today we have this really cool 3D puzzle that is actually a pen holder too. It's really cute. It's a bookstore. We're gonna go ahead and put it together for you and show you what it looks like. So it's in this really nice sleek box. All right. It comes with your directions here. And then the pieces are cellophaned together. All right, so it comes with 3 different wooden panels, and they're actually, I thought you had to pop them out, but they just fall right on out, most of them. The little ones, you gotta push just a little bit. This quality is really nice. It's a very thick wood, so pieces aren't gonna break on you. And they all are numbered, and this sheet has A, so I'm gonna set that there. We have B here, and then here is C. Just push out the big ones first. So these pieces are so detailed. Look how cute there's like little cactuses, there's a little bike. The print is awesome. I don't see any like mishaps or anything on them. It's a great quality. We're gonna put these 2 slots right into here. So this way. You're gonna slide them right in. This is a really cool, because it's a cool 3D puzzle, so it's gonna stand up. One thing here, you wanna make sure you keep your sheets in the A, B, and C panels, because they are written on here, the numbers. So you'll see A and then the numbers here by each shape. So you wanna make sure you keep them organized there. That's definitely a good tip. You can definitely tell with this wood and stuff, it's gonna be super sturdy. It's gonna look really cute on your desk at work to hold your pens. So you wanna make sure on this puzzle, there is only one side is painted with a color on it. So you wanna make sure it shows you on the directions that that is the dark side. So you wanna make sure that all those pieces are the same, facing the same way, or else your puzzle's gonna be a little off. Perfect. Oh, that's super cute. The detail on this is so cute. You got like little hanging baskets, you have a bicycle, you have cats, little people working, flowers, plants, so cute. Perfect. All right. So we are all done. It's super cute 3D puzzle. I love how you can build it. It's not just flat. We love doing puzzles. I love that you can put together. It has such cute detail on it. Everything lines up perfectly. You can tell there's no mishaps or anything in this. What do you think about it?
This is fun.
This is fun? Yeah. Awesome. So if you're looking for something else that's not just a flat puzzle and you love doing crafts with your kids, this is definitely a great option. We highly recommend it.